What's the meaning of Aquarian? Aquarian. Aquarian.
Aquarian. Aquarian. Aquarian refers to someone who is born between January 20th and February 18th, under the zodiac sign of Aquarius. Aquarians are often described as independent, unconventional, and humanitarian. They are known for their progressive ideas, love of intellectual pursuits, and dislike for conformity. They value their freedom and are comfortable being different from others. However, Aquarians can also be stubborn and aloof at times. In summary, Aquarian is a term used to describe individuals born under the sign of Aquarius, who possess distinct personality traits and values.